Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adli Fezasar and my NPM 20255110022. Campaigns like Clean the Sea aim to raise awareness about ocean pollution. They encourage communities in beach cleanups, reduce plastic usage, and promote sustainable practices. Engaging in educational programs helps inform people about marine life protection. Together we can preserve our oceans for future generations and maintain biodiversity.